Tina, there we go. Fuck, you even remembered her name. To me, it's the big boob chick. Oh, this was the mission I was doing the other day, and I failed it because I killed the guy. Alright, let's try not to kill the guy this time.
Detected. The map has been updated.
Let's do this like James Bond shit. James Bond style here.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Enemy presence detected.
Alright, here we go.
The map has been updated.
Anything else? Oh, there could be something over here. Probably a guy right there. I should maybe send that to my base too. I think I can airlift weapons and shit now. Alright. I did not want to do that. I wanted to lay down on the rock, not jump off the rock. Alright, horse. Look out for me. I'm relying on you to be my lookout. Alright. Oh, okay. I got you. Wow, we're pretty far away, though. I don't know how good I can hit with... Okay, let's do it. YOLO! Boom! Fucking... head sniper here. Oh, they saw me. They must have a sniper up there, too, then. What's my reload button? There we go. Fucking realism in games. Any other game you can reload while you're running. This one's just like, nope. Alright, let's get the binoculars and shit out.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Okay, we got him. They still think I'm over there, so that's good. We're just gonna mark as many of these guys as we can. And then... Is there another flower? I didn't even see it. Alright. Fuck, he's got a helmet on now. Oh, it missed! That didn't miss, though. Alright, let's get behind some cover here. Reload this shit. Oh, okay, they're on to me. Ah, okay, I got you. I wonder if I can maybe just sneak around, because they all think I'm over there. Yeah, they still think I'm over there. Alright, we'll get some fucking flowers. Could be bad though if we get seen doing this, but Where's the main building though? I don't know if I can fucking, this is like Metal Gear at its finest. Alright, in the window. Okay, let's grab that shit. Hopefully we can get in and out of here without being seen. Fucking failed at that shit. Shit, he had a helmet on. Go to sleep. You too. Oh fuck. Okay. Nice. I'm surprised I pulled that one off. I'm surprised I pulled that one off. Where the hell are they seeing me from? Not sure if that's the commander guy.
You gonna extract him?
I'm assuming it's not. Fuck, I thought he was in here. Alright. I don't know if that's like the commander dude or not. I was about to say, seriously, how did that fucking miss? You're all good, buddy. You're all good. Go to fucking sleep. One of these guys has to be the commander. So we'll just send all these motherfuckers.
Side op completed.
Oh, there we go.
Subject on board. Leave the rest to us.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Fuck off, buddy. I'm carrying your buddy. Oh, fuck you and your shit. I can go ape shit now, though. Fucking drop him. There we go. See if your fucking shield protects you from that, you cocksucker. Sit your ass down. Seriously, we can climb this? Alright, we'll grab some diamonds. It's a freaking odd place to hide a diamond, but... Alright, motherfuckers. Nope, that didn't work. I was trying to dive to the other building. Alright, we gotta get the hell out of here anyway. Grab some more of that. Get the hell out of there. And